Hi, welcome to ypaintandpastels. I'm Yvonne, a professional artist from the Tampa Bay area, and today we're going to take a look at Conte pastels, both the hard and the soft set. We're going to see what the differences are, how they feel, how they look on paper. We're going to look at their vibrancy, the difference in the hues, their blendability, and what we think of them in general. Historically, I have mainly focused on realism and macros, and in the last couple years, I've been delving more into surrealism and impressionism, and that has been thrilling and exciting. One of the things I was curious about was that Conte promotes that their colors are consistent across their different sets of media, that their pencils, their crayons, their pastels are all able to work together because of this consistency of color. I wanted to see if that was true. So to do that, what better way than to take the full set of hard pastels, the full set of soft pastels, and put them on the same piece of paper. We've started by taping our paper to a prepared board that's both waterproof and acid-free. The paper we're using today is Fabriano. It's actually the Tiziano line by Fabriano. This is a beefy paper that's a high quality mix of premium cotton and high quality cellulose. And it's really great for pencils and charcoal and pastels. When I was in school, I loved these pastels and ran through a couple of boxes of them. The latest version from Conte are the hard pastels and soft pastels. So what we're going to do today is just pick up each of these sticks and feel what they feel like when I put them on paper. And for once, I'm not going to be so regimented about it. Honestly, when this started out, I thought I would just make squiggles on the piece of paper because that would be the best thing to do. Let's just make a repeated stroke with each pastel. By doing a repeated pattern, I'd really be able to see how they were the same and how they were different. Surprisingly, this turned into a full-blown piece of art, and we get to use it to talk about the things that I discovered along the way. So we've used the soft pastels in the first half of our painting, and now we're going through and trying all of the hard pastels. I was able to bring lighter colors into darker colors, more saturated colors into a paler hue. Now we want to blend them. We want to see if we can create form and depth. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it for you. Please subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment below, and links to any of the things that you've seen in this video are in the description below. Until next time.